Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video, we can continue mark register. Last video, I will show you how to save data inside database like a row-wise database like home economics, English language, mathematics, basic technology. All the student want, so we can save is a row-wise data. Now we need to make like column-wise data. Suppose do you want to save only home economics data inside a database? Like this is the exam mark we need to save inside database, so we can do it easily. Suppose sometime what is the reason, some teacher know, okay, teacher can you explain like home economics, okay, so he can add only home economics mark, he don't want to add a English language mark because of the he has still not completed is a paper testing, so he need to add only home economics mark. So we can do like this. So just open the mark register, and after you can go mark register, inside you can search exam and class, and after you click on the search, so you can got it. So let's open another one, ss2, not here there, so just go to ss1. So you can see it here, we have save some data, but let's make a here save button, and after only save English language mark, we don't want to save like all the marks. So just go to codes now, resources, views, inside we need to go admin, inside we need to go to examination, inside we need to go to mark registers. Okay, so we need to provide here another button like a save button. So just go back. Now I have already changed my keyboard, so you can't find the keyboard issue. So just go, let's make some zoom out, and I can make here submit buttons. Okay, sorry, button type is equal to button, because already we are using here submit button, so we don't want to use a submit, just we can use a type is equal to button. Here we can make like save, and here we can provide a class btn primary. Just go back again, refresh the page, so we can check is a here is a button available, yes, button available. Here is a different color, here is also is a different colors. I will click on the save button. So just we need to save like classwork, homework, test work, and exam work, means exam marks. So what we need to do, first we need to provide all the place one ID. Okay, so here we know, okay, here we can get the like a student against we need to provide a one ID. So I can show you how to make, because it's like a logical work, so please carefully check. Okay, so first of all I can make here another button, save, not button, create a new class, save single subject. Okay, I just go down, I will also create a one jQuery functions, just copy and paste here, and I will change here class, and also I can change here submit to click event, because we need to work as a click event inside. Okay, just wait few seconds. Now we need to get a one ID, because ID against we need to get the all the data. So just here pass like a ID. Let's pass first student ID, because the student always need a student ID. So we can put here like a student ID, like student ID. Second one we need a subject ID, because also we need to know about, okay, this is the subject ID. So you can pass another parameter here, means another type attributes. Here is the one attribute we use ID. Now another attribute we use a data dash ID, otherwise data dot val. Let's data dot val. So we can pass like here subject ID. So we can get a two ID. One is like a student ID, another is a subject ID. So let's go up first, and we can copy subject ID here and put here. Okay, so let's go down again, and we can make here two variable, where student ID is equal to dollar this dot attributes. So which attributes? ID. So this is the student ID. Okay, now another attribute, which attribute we need to use also, like a exam ID. So just we need to put not a exam ID, student ID, student ID. So we can change here attribute data dot well. So we also need to know here the subject id we can change, sorry, not student id, subject id. Here is student id and subject id we have passed inside save, you can see it. Now we also need a exam id and class id. So let's make here again data dot exam is equal to, and also make data dot class. So we have created two attributes more, and we can pass here same like this data. Just copy and paste here, like this is the exam id, another one is like a class id. Just copy and paste here. Okay, so just go down again and just copy and paste also this line two times, and here we can change like a exam id, and here we can change like a class id. So here just you can change data well dot exam, sorry, class, and also you can change here exam. Okay, I think now clears. We can get the data well, data exam, data class. Okay, perfect. Let's make a console log so we can see data getting and not getting. Otherwise we can just create a AJAX. We don't want to waste of time inside a console log. Suppose AJAX inside data fire means go, so means it's working. Okay, just copy above lines means above AJAX and paste here, and just you can change the URL single submit mark register. Single submit mark register, and also we can change here data like this, because we need to pass here data now. Student id is equal to student id, means student id like this. Also you can copy paste bottom all for a time, subject id, exam id to exam id, and same thing class id to class id. Okay, so let's create a one routes first and check data we can get cannot get. Okay, so just go to routes, inside need to go web.php, and just go to downs, sorry, just go to student admin side, and here is there. So just copy and paste here, and just change to submit mark register to single submit mark register. Also you can change here, and I will use a go to function. So it's just going to examination controller. Otherwise do you want to go is just click on the app, inside go to http, and inside you can go controller, inside you can see it like examination controllers. Okay, so let's make here another function, and here we can pass like a request $request. Here also we can put dd all. Okay, let's go back again and we can check all data print here, cannot print here. Okay, so refresh the page, and I will press F12. F12 means open the spec element. Otherwise you can click on the right click and click on the spec element. I am always Firefox browser because debugging mode is good inside Firefox. These reasons. I click on the save. So you can see is a one AJAX calling. You can see it like right now. Just I click on the network and I click on the response. So CRF token mismatch. So we also need to pass here like a CRF token. So just go to mark register, and here we need to pass CRF token. So just go back again, and here make a spec element. I can told you how to do easy way. So do you want to know? Don't know. Just copy the token, and here token dot double quote you can create, and inside go up CRF token. Just copy and paste here. I think this is the field creating, so I don't know work not work. I can try. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. Let's click on the save button. What is the, because I will not add a, okay, I think we need to also add a like this. Let's go back again. Where is the missing parameter? Oh, because he is creating like a all things. So we don't want to use this one, just you can like a crf. Let me try. I just forget. So let's go to other project and sort out this issue. Just wait few seconds. I think we need to use like this. I already copy other file to like a token, crf token. We don't want to use a field. Suppose field do you want to use, so is creating input, and suppose do you want to use only token, so you get only token data. Okay, so just go back again, save the files and go to back again, refresh the page. So let's check the crf token issue solve, cannot solve. I just clears. I click on the save. So is AJAX calling, also is a 500 internal server error, so 100% work. So you can see it like we get the student ID, also we get this subject ID, and you can see it like a exam ID and class ID 11. So you can see it inside URL. So everything working very well. So now we need to get a classwork mark, homework marks, test work mark, and an exam work mark. So is a single save working very well. So we need to pass here other parameters. So just go back again, and we need to provide everybody one ID. So here is the ID I can provide, like classwork dash. First we need to concat student ID. So just copy and paste here, and also we need to concat subject ID, means this ID, subject ID. Yes, where is the here, and I copy every place, and I can paste like mark works, test work, and exam work. After I can change here, like here we can change to test work. Here also we can change to homework. Also we can change here like exam. Okay, I can save. Just go back again, refresh the page. So let's see any error. Not any error. So just go back again and go to our single save JavaScript codes. So let's go up, and we can copy like classwork. So we can create a new some variable. We can close this web.php, we don't need now. Classwork is equal to dollar hash, means is the ID we need to use classwork. We can concat here student ID plus subject ID. So we can get this data here because we already create like this ID. I will show you, don't worry about that. Classwork, after we did homework, so just save here, and you can change here. Also you can copy 2 times paste. Another is like a test work, so just do here test work, and here also you can provide lines. And after is the exam, so just you can pass here exam, and this is the data we need to pass also in a data. So just copy and paste. Also you can do it like home, same thing, copy paste work, like test work, and we can do it like an exam here. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page and check working, cannot working, because we already passed every data, but just we need to use here dot val, because we need to get the his value. Just you can change dot val. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, and I will click on the save buttons. So you can see it like data firing. So you also you can see like a 20, 30, 20, 20. Suppose I can go here and I click on the save button. So you can see it like here what data I can pass. You can see only the classwork data, homework, test work, and exam work is no data. This reason not passing. So we have did here like a single by save. Why I will get like this data using concat? Because I will create like this ID. You can see it here like a classwork 1-32 means that 13 is a student ID and 2 means is a like a subject ID. So we have every place we have concat, and after I click on the save button, So we know our student ID and we know about subject ID. So here I have data concat and I get only this ID against data inside jQuery. So let's go to examination controller and we can save all the data inside database. So first just copy and paste here, because we need to make, suppose some data is not filled, so we need to make like a classwork. So just make a classwork, same thing you can change here, classwork, and just copy paste 4 times, so we can easily change. Like here is homework, so homework. Also here you can change like test work, so test work. Last one is a exam. So it's done. So here print here like a classwork, homework, test work, and exam data. Whatever data inside AJAX passing, you can see it here. We know also student ID, subject ID, and exam ID we need. So just create another like this function. So we need to check already there data, database inside data there, cannot there, otherwise not there. So we need to create a new, otherwise we need to update. So just copy and paste bottom, and here we pass like a student ID. So we already get a student ID, you can see it. We also pass here exam ID, so we also get a exam ID, and also we pass like a class ID, so we also get, and same as we get a subject ID. So just you can change here request to subject ID. Okay, so this is the function yesterday I already created and I already show you, but let's show you again. So mark register model inside we have created another table like mark register. Inside we have made one query, student ID, exam ID, class ID, and subject ID against already data there inside database. Yes, there. So just we need to update mark sheet, otherwise not there, so we don't want to update. So data there, so we have passed all the data inside save variable, otherwise not there, so we have passed inside save variable to create a new, and also we pass here like created by, who is a created. So just we can change also here request to student ID, and here you can see like class ID, classwork, homework, test work, and exam work. So everything is good. Just you can copy and paste bottom, so we can check work cannot work. Okay, I save, just go back again, refresh the data, and I click on the save. So working very well, mark successfully, mark register successfully saved. Just go to database, taking few seconds because database opening. Let's check another one. So I can check 20, 30, and 20, and I click on the save. So working very well. So just go back again, refresh the page, so we can check student 3 is the data already there, k is not there, so you can see it already there, is updating. So let's add like here 10, 10, 10, 10, let's make it 20, click on the save. So mark register successfully saved. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like already there data there. Let's close this spec element, we don't need now, so always there, you see. So is a single save work. Suppose you click on the here save, so also work, and here you can save like click on the single save also work, because it's good for you and good for me, like a work like single save. I hope you can understand how I can do like a single save. So just open this schools.com database, so I can show you which table inside we are saving the data, and you can follow this part because we have made a like exam part 1, exam part 2, this is the exam part 3. Just go to mark register, inside you can see it here whatever data we have saved inside database. Okay, I think now is clear, and everything explained very well. Do you have any questions? So please comment, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And next video we can make here calculation like a 2020. So what is the total? So we can make here calculation. Okay, he's a pass, he's a fail. So this is the data is going to 50 plus, so we can do like this. So data is going to 100 plus, so we can make a validation inside single save, and multi save inside we don't want to save any data. Suppose multi save we can't make a validation because of the going to all records. Suppose some record is a true, some record is a false. Suppose some record is a false, so we don't want to save inside database. So we can make like this validation in next video. I know in this video I need to make a validation, but I am thinking in my mind, let's make a one single save. So single save why student can see it. So thank you for watching, and we can continue next video.